two heads are better than one, right? I don't know. I guess it all depends. What do I have here? You might think it's a wig. It's not. It's one of those mannequin heads with hair. The ones I told you about, like, that I would love when I was a kid, because I used to try all kinds of hairstyles on one of my 18-inch dolls, but their hair wasn't that great. So I got this on a super deal. I think it was $11 on Vipon. I'm going to do a dedicated video on Vipon so you can see how to get the coupons. Then you can shop on Amazon with them. But I will put the link on Amazon in the video description. So anyway, they do also use these kind of heads in ASMR videos. I may be doing the same. But anyway, let's take a look at what we have. So she has a very good amount of hair, okay, and don't mind my nails. I put on the other kind of dollar store nails and they were terrible. I don't know if it's the glue or whatever, but just terrible. They're like, oh, come off, and I've got to redo them, but I'm just going to do this video now, so I don't want to hear any comments about my nails. All right, so this is the head of hair. You see it's very thick. Okay, it does have what looks like a real scalp color in there, and so for French braiding, hairstyles, stuff like that, you're very able to do that. Now, she also has this, and I'll show you what you do with that. Okay. One time we had something from suppliers when I was getting reviewers for Amazon sellers, and they had these mannequin makeup heads and hands, I think they were, to do manicures on, and they're really interesting. Okay, but anyway, let's look at what we have. So you have some bands you get, and you also get a clamp. So this will clamp her to the table, so the head is, sturdy for you. Instructions on using the clamp. And then we also have 3 of these kinds of clips. We also have 3 of these types of clips. Okay, and beyond that, we got this set. So I think this is kind of the topsy tail thing. So you've got a comb, you've got your topsy tail things, and you've got this, which is some type of a bun thing. Anyway, let's see how this goes into our little lady here. So, grab our instructions. Okay, so we have to put, it looks like this. This, okay, how do we get this in her? This is supposed to go in here. In here. Something is not right. this would go on here. This goes, I think their instructions are all backwards. This has to go in here. Okay, then this would go in here. I don't know how it's going to go in there. That is very bizarre. It won't even go in there. So it has to go this way, which would not make any sense because that is interesting. Whoa, that doesn't make any sense at all. Okay, so I am very confused with this part of this. There, it looks to me that oh, I see, maybe like that now. Hang on. Yeah, that's how you do it. That's weird instructions though, but okay. So there, and then her head will pivot. Okay, that's good. So I've got to just get that, and then the vise should come down. There we go. She'll clamp on, oops, I got her haircut there, to a table or whatever. I don't know if you can, oops, you can't see her. Okay, so I have her clamped on to the edge of the counter, and you'll see in that way her head will move on that like ball. So that you can, so just, I'm going to take her off so you can see, but see, it will move, it will pivot. Okay, so we will see more of this one. I'm going to try some hairstyles, maybe use her for a little Anne's arm, and but that's that, guys. Two heads may be better than one. Depends.